There are thousands of ways to write high-quality blog posts. However, we created a process that works incredibly well. In fact, this is the fastest way we found. Hi, my name is Jonathan Nunez. I am the CEO and the co-founder of the Marketing Project. We've created over 500 blog posts with the exact same process I'm about to show you, so we know it works well. So in this video, we'll cover how to research a blog post, how to outline it, and write it fast. But before we do that, we need to thank our sponsor, the Marketing Project. The Marketing Project is a digital marketing agency that specializes in Q&A marketing. So if you're interested in blogging for business, check us out. We offer services like keyword research, competitor analysis, and full content writing services. If you're interested, the link's in the description. Alright, this video will not go over keyword research, so if you want to do that, I recommend you check guides from companies like Moz, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. They have fantastic resources you can use. Also, we'll assume you already did keyword research and you found the topic you want to target, so we'll start with the next step in the process. Now, the first thing we need to do is create a blog post outline. A blog post outline essentially works as a guide to help us focus on the right information so we can create better content faster. Also, every time you create a new blog post, think about the purpose of that piece of content. This is very important because it will shape the outline you create, how you tackle the topic, and the overall writing of the blog post. So the first thing you want to focus on is researching what's already out there. But before you do that, I just want to mention that if you want to create content for another country or language, you have to adjust your search settings. To do that, all you have to do is head to Google and click on your profile icon. Then select language. That will take you to your language and region settings. There you can select the language you want to see your results in and the region. So just choose the language and place you want to target. And after that, head back to Google and search for the keyword you want to target. Then open the first 3 or 4 organic results in new tabs. At this stage, all you have to do is copy all the headings on the articles to a Google Doc or a notepad. And this is so you can analyze all the sections in the top results. The problem is that this process is very time consuming, but thankfully there are some tools that can help us with this. The tool we use and love is Ahrefs SEO Toolbar. It's available for Chrome and Firefox, so you can use it to get SEO insights and quickly access some things like metadata and some other important SEO information. We'll leave the link to their page below so you can install it. Alright, after you install the toolbar, just click the extension icon to reveal the page's SEO information. Then select Copy Headings to copy all the heading titles on the page. Next, go to your Google document or notepad and paste all the headings into your document. Repeat this process for the top 3 or 4 ranking pages for the keywords that you're targeting. And once you're done with that, you'll have a long list of headings. What you want to do is spot trends. What we mean by this is identify all the headings that repeat themselves and remove duplicates. This will make it so you have a short list of topics to focus on. Also, if there's more information you want to include in your blog post, add it to the list. For example, you can include calls to action or other information you know is important, but it's missing. Okay, the next thing you want to do is create a blog post structure. And this step is all about how you are going to categorize your content so it flows properly and is structured well. Think of it as having topics and subtopics. An example would be having heading 1 as the title of the blog post, heading 2 as the subtopics, and heading 3 as the individual steps or sections in your subtopics. So that's an oversimplification of headings, but it should help you structure your content better. Alright, after you're done with that, it's a matter of researching your outline content. This is all the content, statistics, reports, and media you'll need for the blog post itself. And one thing we love doing is using advanced search on Google to find information we need. For example, you can search for the topic you want, plus the data you need, plus the statistics to find data. Or you can search for the topic you want, plus the data you need, those are basically the keywords, plus the type of media you need to search for specific types of content like videos and infographics. And these types of searches will make it easier to find the exact information you want. And when you finish searching for the information you need, simply add it to your outline. We recommend adding your data, quotes, and links below each section in bullet points to organize everything better. And once you finish researching all the resources you'll use for writing your content, we recommend adding instructions to each section telling the writer how to tackle the topic. This is especially important if you're working with other team members who are in charge of other parts of the process. And if you're working alone, it makes it easier to identify what you need to work on next, and so you don't forget the information you found while doing the research. Alright, the next step is writing your blog post. Take the description, all the comments you wrote, and all the resources and the data you found during your research to write your blog post fast. You can use generative AI to help you produce content faster. If you're interested, the tool we use and love is Writer, so check it out. We're sure you'll find it useful. You can visit the link on the screen or click the link in the description. Oh, full disclosure, we're an affiliate, so if you decide to purchase through our link, we'll get a commission. And this commission comes at no additional cost to you. So if you decide to use our link, thank you for the support. Now, once you're done writing your content, take the time to add links and media. Use UTMs to track clicks on your links, create images for showing processes and having visual aid, and use videos whenever possible to increase the quality of your content even more. And when you finish, send your content to your content editor to make sure someone else with fresh eyes can read and review your content. A lot of the time when we create content, we are too close to it, so we suffer from tunnel vision. Also, if we've been creating content for a while, we often feel tired and we can focus the same way we would if we had recently woken up. So just send it to someone else on your team for review. Now, if you're creating content on your own, just leave it for later. Take 1 or 2 days off to rest and recover, and then come back to review your content. The quality of your revision will be much higher, and you will be able to spot things you wouldn't be able to otherwise. Finally, when you finish with your content revisions, proceed with publishing. And after that, continue with your internal process for content promotion and distribution. Now, as you can see, the majority of the time you'll invest in your blog writing is the actual research you do. So take your time to create an outline that makes it easy to understand what you're trying to communicate. High quality blog content is essential for attracting and engaging your audience. So don't rush through the process. Put in the effort to create an effective outline, and you'll be rewarded with blog posts that are compelling and efficient to produce. Alright, if you found this video useful, give it a like and let me know which part you liked best. Also, consider subscribing for more Q&A marketing content just like this one. See you in the next one.